I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration gone to hell. I've fallen under some ancient spell. Must be the gypsy in you. If you're not looking for a game.
God damn. Right. Here we go. Alright, good morning. Welcome to day 3 of the long walk home. So, not feeling too bad, everything considering. I was in a lot of pain yesterday. Even just getting to the bar last night was a hobble, a hurting hobble. But yeah, don't feel too bad. It's 11 o'clock, taking it nice and easy this morning again. So, that's the good news, not feeling too bad. Bad news, oh, cop, get off the road, waffling onto the camera. So I had a look at the route last night, tinkered around with it for about an hour, trying this way and that way, and there's no quick way home. It's 60 kilometers on the nose, and I want to do it in 2 days, so that leaves me another 30 to do today and then 30 tomorrow. So I done 30 yesterday. I know it's possible, but it just hurt. So I'm going to see how I get on. If I have to put an extra night in it and get home Sunday morning, leave like 10 kilometers for Sunday, then I'll have to do that. But yeah, there's no quick ways. I'm not going to use any transport. I'm going to do it by foot. That's the plan. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But anyway, yep, new day. It's nice and cool. So yeah, let's get hiking. Let's do it. Straight up the hill. Loving this landscape up here. Sandy. It's like somewhere in America or something. But no, we're still in Hampshire. I'm always in Hampshire. No day. Alright though, yeah, loving it. Good start. There's a hill. Check out the view though. Oh yeah. Oh. Awesome. Yeah, right. So it's like a maze in here. So many different paths. I've taken about 4 wrong turns. In my head I'm just going right, left, right, and I'll still go left, right, left. So lots of map checking, loads of people around. Everyone's really friendly this morning. Must have had a better wash than I did yesterday or something, because everybody wants to have a chat. But yeah, nice start to the day. Feeling all right. It's my left, my right, this is why I keep going wrong. My right shoulder is hurting on my trap, where my bag is, and I've only been going about 45 minutes, so that's a worry, but I'm sure we'll be okay. Right, let's not get lost in. Right, check out the bridge. I'm guessing that must be the remains of some sort of pond or something. Everything's drying up, but anyway, what I wanted to say, amazing start to the day again. Been going about an hour, I think, so maybe about 5k, which puts me about 60 kilometers in for the whole route. And like, I really haven't hit a road or town apart from when I had to go to Tesco's and Aylesbury, the first one. But I've pretty much been off road the whole way, you know, which you just don't really think is possible. I mean, unless you're a hiker and you do it all the time, but for a novice like me, you don't really think that you can just walk like across the country without hitting any sort of civilization or anything. And it's just been through fields, through forest, the old park I suppose, along rivers. But yeah, no, just it's amazing. I'm interested to see how it goes the closer we start getting to London. I I've got to skirt round Guildford and then Dorking. But looking at the map, it's pretty much off-road all the way. So yeah, interesting to see what happens. But yeah, it's brilliant. I'm loving it. Let's see how I feel in a few hours when my legs hurt. But yeah, at the moment, all good. All right. All right, just walked past this little shop. I wasn't going to stop, but I don't see many shops really on this mission, so I thought, right, better stop. So got a coffee and some onion bhajis, classic selection. But yeah, very rare to come across anywhere to stop. So I'm thinking, yeah, maybe the key is to have more breaks more regularly today. Maybe that will help. But yeah, bhajis for breakfast, lovely. Yeah, what do you think? I think that's a no-go. Now that is a bummer. We've got a big diversion now. Right, let's get on the map. Right, I've just decided to go for it. The road back there is just too busy to walk along. You've got to backtrack about half an hour otherwise. So hopefully, should be alright. Okay, damn, dead end. This is a mistake. Oh, god damn. You can see the all the builders behind me. I just had a word with them, they're alright. But yeah, they're throwing me back out onto the main road. It's a bit busy, I don't really want to walk along it, but I've got no choice. But yeah, they were nicers anyway. They were nice, sorry. Alright. Okay, let's do it. What a stupid sign. Absolutely beautiful here. So, just checked the maps. I've just done 10 kilometres. It's 10 to 2. So I've almost been going 3 hours. And now I stopped for 20 minutes and I had about a half-hour muck around with that dead end. Yeah, that's not good. So 10 down, 20 to go. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. All right, let's get cracking. I've been in this vegetation, I guess is the best way to call it, for about 45 minutes. I've had to have my phone up constantly because there's just hundreds of paths. You can't see or anything. So yeah, pretty tough in here. It's all been uphill, I'm sure, as well. I'm getting ready to stop. It's 2:30. I want to try and get to 15k halfway. I reckon about another 20 minutes. And then I'm going to stop for some lunch, some water. I might have a little lie down and a nap and prepare for the second half. The sun's out now, it's beating down, but I'm alright. It's good fun, still good fun. But yeah, let's get this last couple of kilometres done to halfway and then it's time for a rest. Alright, okay. That's beautiful. Are you gorgeous? I've just come across a little village, Huttingham, I think it's called. quick little search on Google Maps, and there's a pub about 4 minutes around the corner. So happy days. That's going to be my stopping point. I might even have a cheeky cider, because I do think I'm going to find a place for a lie down after lunch. But yeah, I'm going to have a good hour's rest, I think, now. But yeah, nice little village, perfect timing. Let's get a pubbing. All right, off again. Nice lunch in the pub, it was good. Bit hard to get going again, but we're moving. And I'm on the North Downs Way, which means I'm in Surrey, which is awesome. I didn't realise that. Finally out of Hampshire. I checked the maps. I'm actually just coming up to Guildford, which is not too far from home. The first thought was awesome. Train straight to Sutton, but we're not going to do that. So yeah, just keeping on walking, but that's pretty good, feeling positive. Sun's beating down now, and I got a bit of shade. So I reckon about another 4 hours, probably till I get there. It's about 4:30, I think. So yeah, it's gonna be a late finish, but not feeling too bad. So yeah, onwards, let's do it. I just stopped for some water, checked the maps. I'm on 71k all in all, which was more than I thought, which is quite good. So 82 to do today, so 11 kilometres left. So it's actually inspired me a little bit. So yeah, another couple of hours, just over. I should be settling down. All right, okay, good news. Alright, welcome to Guildford. Now we're getting somewhere. Found the perfect spot for my nap. Haha. Yeah, time for a little lie down. Right, to be honest, this is the perfect place to camp. But it's way too early. It's not even 6 o'clock. I've just smashed it after lunch. Got about 6 kilometres left to go to where I wanted to be. But it's early, so I'm going to chill out here for a bit. I might even just push on, see if we can get a bit closer to home. But for the moment, chill out time. Oh yeah. Right, it's got really hot all of a sudden. I'm climbing now, definitely in the Surrey Hills. I managed to fill my water bottles up at a stable. The nice guys there let me use their tap, which was a must. But yeah, we're getting high. I don't know if you can see out over there. But yeah, we're climbing. Good climb to finish the day. All right. I think it's about 7 o'clock in the evening. Still trekking on. Right at the top of the Surrey Hills now. Absolutely stunning. I think I'm going to go for another half hour or so, 45 minutes, and then find a camp spot. Beautiful evening. All right. Kettle's on, tent is set up, and it's about 8:30, I think. Perfect timing. So yeah, I found a nice little spot, nice and secluded. It's not the prettiest wild camp I've ever had, but it's good for what I need tonight. So yeah, gonna have a cup of tea, have some dinner, head down. and then the final 30 tomorrow. Looking forward to it. All right, good night from deep in the Surrey Hills.